Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to open up to more viewers, your audience, by having text on your videos, your long form content, your short form content. 80% of viewers don't have their volume on, so you're opening up your content to more viewers and getting more engagement from them. Especially if you're doing an educational tutorial. I'll show you how to do this in the next video in a few quick, short, easy steps using a free application you can use on your mobile devices, Android or iPhone. So tap on the blue plus sign, go on to project, then choose your video or photo from the top, and then choose a frame ratio. 19:6 for shorts, 16:9 for long form content. On the menu bar, go to auto captions. Select convert. Tap on the text on the timeline. Check your spelling and grammar. Once you've done that, tap done. You can change the font colour. At the end of this video, I've got a very important video that you can watch to learn more about the VN editor software. And when you're ready, you can move the text up to the top of your fingers. You can see me editing it. So I'm making it more visible. So if somebody's on a mobile device, they can see it at a distance. They've got glasses on, or no glasses. So it's perfectly visible from a distance. Hi, would you like to know how to create text on the screen like this? There you've got the end screen, you've got to delete on there. Then you can delete it and export the data. The video will save to your photographs, videos, wherever they are on your device. Thanks for watching this video, and stay watching for the next VN editor software, the complete tutorial, which you can watch for free. And save it to your playlist, watch later playlist so you can watch it later on. Thanks for watching.